Coming up are 5 great questions to ask your mortgage broker. Stay tuned. 5. What are the fees to you when a mortgage is complete? Often a mortgage broker would charge a commission from the lender and from you to maximize their profits. If the broker fees to you are too high, then walk away, as there are plenty of options out there to help you. Once you have found a broker at the right price, then you are good to go. 4. Does the broker have full access to the mortgage market, including intermediaries? There is only so many mortgage products you can access directly with the lender, so having a broker with full access will ensure you get the best product to suit your circumstances. The market changes constantly, so make sure you speak to your broker on a regular basis. 3. What are the options to having a fixed or a variable mortgage? There are a number of different types of mortgages, but the 2 most common are fixed or variable. With a fixed, you know exactly how much you are repaying on a monthly basis. With a variable, it's often tracked against the bank's base rate, so your repayments can go down as well as up. Ask your broker to cost these options at different years so you can see the true cost of your decision. Next, please support me and get notified of more great videos by knocking on the like and subscribe button. Go on, smash those buttons. 2. What insurance products can be provided? Getting life or home insurance through the broker could be more cost effective. It could also be easier to process, given your broker already has all your details and the property you wish to buy. Make sure you price compare to ensure you are getting the best price that is out there. 1. Can the bank offering the valuation upgrade their survey? A cost will often be associated with the bank, so they can value the property you are looking to buy. If you can upgrade this to a home buyer or structural survey, then this could potentially save you the cost of getting a separate surveyor to check the house. If you can't upgrade, then get a separate survey done so you know the good and the bad points of the property before you go ahead. I want to know what are your top questions. Comment below and I'll catch you at the next one.